I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to talk about the installation of the EVANNEX custom screen protector for Model X and Model S. The EVANNEX screen protector comes in protective packaging. Because it's tempered glass, that's critical. It also comes with a number of pieces that we'll use for the installation itself. These include an alcohol wipe for cleaning the screen. We'll talk more about that in a few moments. A dust absorber, which is absolutely crucial, and some guide stickers, which you can or may not decide to use. There are other options, and I'll talk about those. There's also a small screen cleaning wipe that you can use at the end just to clean it once everything is installed. The very first thing we need to do is to thoroughly clean the screen. I want to emphasize this because dust, oils, anything that mar the screen is your enemy. So you have to pay very specific attention to this. In order to reduce dust, the first thing you do is turn off your HVAC system. That will stop dust from moving around the interior of your car and is absolutely essential. The next thing you need to do is to put your screen in screen clean mode. We do that simply by hitting the display and then screen clean mode directly. We can now clean the screen with no problem whatsoever. In order to clean the screen, we take our alcohol prep pad and we clean down the screen as best we can. We start at the top. Now, once we've applied the alcohol, it's not a bad idea to get a lint-free cloth and wipe down the screen accordingly, like this. We remove dust specks by taking our little dust absorber, pulling it off its sheet, and using it to grab onto any dust that you see on the screen. The idea is to just pat it. When you see a dust speck, remove it from the screen, as I am doing here. Remove the protector. You'll note that one side has a protective sheet over it, which we will remove when we're ready, right here. But for now, we leave that covered. The other side is the exterior side, the side facing the driver. That is uncovered. You will get smudges on it, no worries, we can clean that at the end. The idea here is to place the protector over the screen inside the frame that you see here. There is enough tolerance along the edges or perimeter of the protector to allow you to get it in without a great deal of difficulty. You'll note that the adhesive part of the frame has a backing, which we're going to have to pull off. As we pull off that backing, be absolutely certain not to touch the back of the screen protector. The reason is that dust or oil or anything else that gets on the back of the protector cannot be cleaned. So it's important to be careful here. We remove the backing, being careful not to touch the back. Keep in mind that it is tempered glass, so you can't bend it at any great angle or it will break. Be very careful of this. We put it into place, being sure that it is properly centered, and then simply drop it down as you go so that it fits inside the frame. We can then use a cloth to press down, working from top down. We clean it nicely, making sure there are no air bubbles. In order to be positive of that, we can work from the inside out, pressing outward, just to remove any possibility of an air bubble appearing when the screen is clean and installed. We press and hold, and boom, we're on the air. Now with a protected screen that will allow you to use it without worry about scratches or any other thing that might damage your 17-inch display.